Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a makeup tutorial on this look. So this is like a very good traditional Indian inspired makeup tutorial. It's very simple yet very elegant, and this look is very easy to achieve. And so without further ado, let's get started into the video. So I have washed my face and I'm going to start off by cleaning my face with this baby wipes. This is by Johnson baby wipes. This is very gentle on your skin. I don't want any sort of dirt on my face before applying any sort of makeup. I would like to apply this baby wipes on my face. This will not only get rid of all the dirt, but also it will a little bit moisturize on your face. After cleaning my face with this baby wipes, I'm going to apply toner on my face. This is Good Vibes Honey Glow Toner. I will put every product link in the description box below. So it's a lightweight alcohol-free hydrating face toner. It effectively balances skin's pH level, minimize the pores. After toning my face, I'm going to apply Pond's Super Light Gel. I highly recommend you guys to apply this moisturizer. This has hyaluronic acid plus vitamin E. I have been using this moisturizer like 6 to 8 months and I love this moisturizer. It doesn't feel greasy or chip at all. If you want a very smooth base for your makeup, I highly recommend this. Don't think twice before buying this, just go for it. I'm going to apply this moisturizer all over my face, especially around my eye areas. You have to prep your skin well, especially under eye area, before applying any sort of makeup. Next, for primers, I'm going to use Nykaa's Prep Me Up primer. This is a silicone based primer. This is also lightweight, non-greasy. It really instantly blurs the appearance of pores and fine lines to create a flawless base. It is ideal for all skin type. I'm going to take a pea-sized amount and applying and blending it outwards in gently circular motion for a smooth finish. This is also paraben free and not tested on animals, which is very good. Coming on to the next step, which is applying concealer. I'm going to use two concealer. One is Maybelline Age Rewind concealer, which is caramel, and Fit Me concealer in the shade medium. I'm going to apply this too with my concealer brush, which is from PAC. This is so good to apply concealer around your eyes area. It is specially made for applying concealer. This brush is really not harsh for your skin because of the sensitivity around your eyes area. You always want something gentle. So this brush will give you a flawless, creaseless look. I highly recommend this concealer brush. If you want a separate video to see my brush collection or want a video about the affordable brush, do let me know in the comment section below. Okay, for foundation, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 228 Soft Tan. This is not a high coverage foundation. This is medium to low coverage foundation. And for applying foundation, I'm using the PAC blending foundation brush number 252. It's a kabuki foundation brush. It has super fine, densely packed bristles. Very gentle on your skin. I never used such a good quality brush before. It is one of my newly purchased brush from Nykaa. This is unique and best for applying cream or liquid foundation. This will also gives you a high coverage. As you can see, the application of the brush is pretty good. It blends the foundation like magic. If you want to invest on a good quality yet affordable brush, just go for it. Next, to set my face, I'm using my compact powder. This is Maybelline Fit Me compact powder. My shade is 118 light beige. This has also SPF 28 PA++. That means it also giving you the pretty good sun protection. I am using the same brush to apply compact powder or to set my face. Okay, moving on to the compact powder. This is super inexpensive. This is for retail 199. You can also buy this from Nykaa for rupees 179. Now for contouring, I'm using Wet n Wild Mega Glow contouring palette in the shade Caramel Toffee. For applying contouring shade or for contour, I'm using Nykaa's Blend Pro Contour Makeup Brush. Okay, this has a contour shade and a banana powder. I love this banana powder from the palette to highlight my under eyes area. This is also good for baking and set your face. I'm going to dust off the excess product and blend it very slowly. If you want an affordable, good quality contour palette, you can also buy this. I don't want any harsh line for contouring, just to bronzing a little bit, not to look flat or fat. Moving on to the next step, I'm using Maybelline blush in the shade Cinnamon. I bought this like 3-4 years ago. Maybe this is not available in the market right now. I remember the shade name Cinnamon. You can also use a Wet n Wild blush named Milo Wine. That one also very good. Moving on to my next step, which is applying eyeshadow. I'm using the Wet n Wild Color Icon eyeshadow palette. I'm going to apply the lightest shade to apply it on my crease line. Now I'm going to apply the mauve shade to apply my outer area of my eyelid. Now I'm going to apply the brown shade to give my eyeshadow a beautiful smoky look. Last and finally applying this bronzy shimmer shade on my lid. I will also use the same shade to highlight my inner corner. That will make a big difference in your eye makeup look. Next, to set everything on the right place or to set my makeup for a long time, I am using the Faces Canada Ultimate Pro Makeup Fixer. To filling my brows, I'm using this cute little my all-time favorite, which is Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit in the shade Ash Brown. I am picking the brown shade and the black shade to filling my eyebrows. I know I'm creating this makeup look with so many Wet n Wild products. You guys must be thinking why I'm using so many makeup products from Wet n Wild. Not just because I really love this brand, but also their product quality is so good and also very affordable. Wet n Wild products are always available in the Flipkart, Amazon, Nykaa. If you want to purchase everything, I will link everything out in the description box below, so please go and check that out. Next step is my most favorite step to applying highlighter. I'm using Maybelline New York Face Studio Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. I also used the shade Molten Rose Gold, but that one also very good for fair to medium skin tone. This highlighter is so good for medium to dusky skin tone. I'm using the highlighter on my cheekbones, brow bones, down the bridge of the nose, cupid bow, actually everything on my face. I love using highlighter, love this shade. This has no chunky glitter particle in it. It is very soft, smooth like butter. You know I'm looking like a disco ball. As I said before, I love using highlighter on my face. If you want a separate video about highlighter, please let me know in the comment section below. I would love to making such videos for you guys. Okay, next I'm finally going to apply lipstick on my lips. I'm going to apply Nykaa's Ultra Matte Lipstick in the shade Diana. This shade is like nude pink shade. I love Nykaa's Ultra Matte Lipstick range. This lipstick has super staying power. Also, it's not like dry on your lips. The quality of the lipsticks are so good. This will last on your lips like entire day. It will not leave or fade out from your lips. Okay, this is my final look. Hope you guys will love this look. I'm wearing this yellow earrings or like jhumkas paired with my yellow kurti. I thought why not wearing such jewelries because these two colors are really matching and also it looks beautiful with this kurti. If you like my video then please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you on my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.